Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 noise cancelling earbuds with a ton of features listed on the front and back, despite how small the box is. I'm trying to cover up the serial number that's present on the back. I'm probably just being paranoid, but better safe than sorry. It has some features listed on the back in regards to what they call future-proofing for Bluetooth wireless technology, which I'll go over in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description. But for now, let's focus on the unboxing. So the first thing you get is a quick start guide. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just take them out of the case and it'll be automatically in pairing mode. Pair it with a smartphone is the best thing to do, and then you can open the app. So here's the case itself. It's got a nice fabric type of material. Gives it kind of a premium feel and look. So here's the earbuds themselves. Again, kind of a premium polished look with a metallic design on the exterior part where it's going to poke out our ears. They do look kind of deep, but we'll see how they look on the ears, again, in the review video. So that's the case itself. It feels nice. It looks nice, right? I mean, they are pretty expensive earbuds after all. It should feel and look nice, even if it's just the case. Okay, so next is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which seems to be a pretty generous length for charging earbud cases. Usually they're much shorter than that. And looking over what else we have. Okay, so this seems to be a different adapter fitting. So these are the earbud fittings. A few of them fell out. So there's some on the earbuds already, and then this is different fittings available. And these are probably the ring adapters that go around, I presume. Yep, there's a few more fittings in here for your selection. So there's a high chance that no matter which fitting you'll use, one of them will fit nicely to accommodate your ear shape and size. And just some safety warranty information and choking hazard information and all that other very exciting, stupendous stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing. Again, a link to the review will be in the video description. Be sure to check out my social links and website link also in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.